Hi, and welcome to my channel Diced and Spiced. Today we are going to make a family favorite side dish for dosa called the Pachai Milagai Kozhambu or the green chilies Kozhambu. Let's see how to make it. I have here 10 to 12 green chilies. These are small in size but extremely hot. Take somewhere between 8 and 12 green chilies depending on the size and the heat. The name itself is Pachai Milagai Kozhambu, so it is bound to be spicy. Note that. Add the green chilies to a mixie jar. Add around a quarter teaspoon of rock salt. Grind it into a paste with a little water. Here is the ground paste. Keep it aside. Take a small lime-sized piece of tamarind. Soak it in 1 tumbler of hot water. Keep it aside. Heat a kadai. Add gingelly oil, around 50 to 75 ml. You can add lesser quantity now and add more while you are serving. That's your wish. Splatter around half a teaspoon of mustard, a good quantity of Asafoetida. Now let's add the ground green chilies. Saute till it is fully cooked. This takes around 3 to 4 minutes. Keep sauteing it continuously. Now the green chilies are completely cooked. Strain and add the tamarind juice. Add half a tumbler more of water and extract the tamarind juice well. Add the required salt. Do remember we have added a little salt along with the green chilies. I am adding rock salt here. Allow it to boil till the raw smell completely goes away. It will initially feel very watery, but as it boils, it will thicken. 8 to 10 minutes of boiling is required. This recipe is actually from my grandmother. She always says that this particular kozhambu goes well with dosa but not with idli. So do have dosa batter in hand when you are planning to make this kozhambu. Let's now add a tablespoon of jaggery. Allow it to dissolve and boil some more. You might feel that the quantity of oil and jaggery is a bit high, but it helps in cutting through the heat from the green chilies and the acidity of the tamarind juice. It is important that we make this kozhambu only with gingelly oil. It will go lighter on the stomach. Let's now sprinkle around half a teaspoon of rice flour for thickening the kozhambu further. Do not add too much, it will alter the taste. Boil just for 2 minutes more. Our kozhambu is nice and thick and now ready. Let's make a crispy and shiny dosa. The ratio for this dosa is 4 cups of idly rice, 1 cup of Urad Dal, 2 tablespoons of Toor Dal, a teaspoon of Fenugreek. Soak and grind like you usually make a dosa batter. Do keep extra batter while making this kozhambu. Your family will definitely ask for extra servings. The moment you pop a piece of dosa with this kozhambu, there will be a burst of flavors. The tartness of the tamarind first, followed by the sweetness from the jaggery, and finally heat from the green chilies will linger in your mouth. It's so delicious, it will make you crave for some more. Do try this kozhambu at home. I'm sure all of you will love it. From my grandmother's kitchen to yours. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.